on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Poweshiek County in central Iowa, southeastern Tama County in central Iowa, southeastern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Searsboro, or 8 miles south of Grinnell, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grinnell, Brooklyn, Rock Creek Lake, Sully, Holiday Lake, Linville, Malcolm, Chelsea, Elberon, Oakland Acres, Searsboro, Hardwick, Vining, Grinnell Regional Airport, and Rock Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 174 and 195. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Poweshiek, and Tama. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until